Good morning children. Today we are going to be start our 9th chapter fractions. Okay, so first we take out your class workbook and we'll be having different types of fractions, so that we'll write it now. Okay, take out your class works everyone children and write the heading fractions. Chapter 9 fractions. Okay, next subheading we can write in fractions. Actually, what is the meaning of fraction? A part in a whole is known as fraction. Write down, a part in a whole is known as a fraction. Okay, next heading, types of fractions. Types of fractions. Okay, there are 5 types of fractions. There are how many types? 5 types of a fraction. They are, first one, like fraction. So the first one, proper fraction. Proper fraction. Second one, improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay, proper fraction, improper fraction. And third one, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Fourth one, like fraction. Like fraction. And fifth one, unlike fraction. Unlike fractions. Fifth one, unlike fractions. Okay, now what are proper fractions? So one by one, this type of fractions one by one along with the definition we'll write it now. Okay, how many types of fractions are there? 5 types of fractions. One is proper fraction, second one improper fraction, third one mixed fraction, fourth one like fraction, and fifth one unlike fraction. Now one by one side heading you can write. The first one about proper fraction. So what type of fractions will be known as proper fractions? Write first heading, continue you can write proper fractions. Okay, now write down. In proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. In proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Example, 3 by 7, 2 by 5, like that. Here the numerator is 3 and the denominator is 7. So numerator is smaller than denominator. So like these fractions will be known as proper fractions. Next, second one. Heading improper fraction. Improper fractions. Write down. In improper fraction, the numerator is greater than the denominator. Greater than the denominator. Full stop. Example. Now numerator has to write big one. It means 9 by 4. So 9 is a numerator which is greater than 4 as a denominator. Next, 5 by 2, like that. Okay, next. Write down mixed fractions. Next heading. Third one. Mixed fractions. Okay, now a fraction having a fraction having a whole number part and a fractional part is known as mixed fraction. Okay, here two parts are there. One is whole number part, second one fractional part. Example 3 1 by 5. Okay, 3 it is known as whole part and 1 by 5 will be known as fraction part. So together this will be known as mixed fraction. Okay, 3 1 by 5 comma 2 3 by 4, like that. If the fractions are in this form, together whole number and the fraction form, those fractions will be known as mixed fractions. Next, fourth one, like fractions. Fourth one, like fractions. The fractions having denominator the fractions having the same denominator is known as like fractions. Example 2 by 5 comma 3 by 5 comma 7 by 5 like that. If you are observed, all the denominators are having 5, 5, 5. So these all the fractions are having the same denominator. So it is known as like fractions. Okay, next last one, unlike fractions. Unlike fractions. So like fractions opposite. It means the fractions which are having different denominators, those fractions will be known as unlike fractions. Write down fractions having different denominators are known as unlike fractions. Are known as unlike fractions. Example, 2 by 5, comma, 3 by 4, comma, 1 by 2, like that. Okay, so this will be known as unlike fractions. And next concept, how to change the improper fractions into mixed fractions, and how to change mixed fractions into improper fractions. Next concept, you can continually write down. Changing the Roman number 1. Changing the improper fractions to mixed fraction. Improper fractions to mixed fractions. Okay, first one. You can open textbook page number 67. In that first section, changing the improper fraction to mixed fraction is there. So that we will do it now. First one, 13 by 4. Okay, 13 by 4. Here numerator is greater than denominator. So this fraction will be known as improper fraction. This improper fraction now we have to convert into mixed fraction. How to do means, with the denominator have to do division numerator. Okay, only once you have to try it. 4 table 13, how many times it will be multiplied means only 3 4s are 12 we are getting, and after subtracting of 3 minus 2 the remainder will be 1. Okay, so here one thing you have to remember children, whatever the quotient we are getting, that quotient will be have to write as a whole number. W means whole number, and the remainder is a no. This remainder have to write like a numerator. Okay, and denominator as it is 4 only. Denominator will not be changed. Now how to write in the improper mixed fraction means, mixed number is equal to so whole number, quotient is as a whole number no, 3, and remainder as a numerator no, so 1 by 4. 3 1 by 4. Okay, we will do the second one also. Remaining sums you have to do it as a homework. 35 by 6. 35 by 6. Same, this is also with the 6 you have to divide 35. Okay, 6 6s are 36. It is more than 35. So go for 6 5s are. 6 5s are 30. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. Okay, so now the remainder is 5 and the quotient also 5. The quotient have to write like a whole number and the remainder has to write like a numerator. Okay, now mixed fraction or mixed number is equal to 5 by 6. Okay, remaining sums also, remaining 4 or 5 sums are there, that also first do the division and write the quotient as a whole number and remainder as a numerator and denominator as it is what the number will be. Okay, like this you have to convert improper fractions into mixed fractions. Next, Roman number 2. How to change or convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Change the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Okay, this is in the textbook page number 67, Roman number 2. Now the first one, 3 1 by 9. 3 1 by 9. Here one formula you have to remember, children. What that means? Multiply the denominator, D means denominator, with whole number. Okay, W means whole number. Multiply denominator with the whole number, then add numerator, and as it is the denominator will be same. Okay, so now what is the denominator here? We are having 9. 9 into 3, do these two multiplications. 9 3s are 27. After multiplying this, what we have to do? Plus numerator. Here numerator is 1 now. So 9 3s are, or 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 1, 28 by 9. This is the improper fraction of 3 1 by 9. Okay, next, second one, 5 2 by 3. B1, 5 2 by 3. So what is the formula, children? First multiply denominator with the whole number. Okay, multiply this 2. 5 3s are 15 will be get it, and after that add the numerator to that product. So 15 plus 2 is equal to 17 by 3. Okay, while you are doing, you don't need to write these symbols. Only for your sake I am writing this. Okay, you have to remember the formula, then write it. Remaining sums have to do it as a homework. Next, last section, Roman number 3. Roman number 3, pick out the like fractions and unlike fractions is the children here. So all the fractions observe clearly. First one will be the 13 by 5, 4 by 5, 3 by 7, 11 by 15, like that some numbers are there. So you have to write which are like fractions and which are unlike fractions. See, for example, like fraction means the fractions which are having denominator same. Okay, so here 13 by 5 and 4 by 5. First two numbers we are having denominator is as a 5. So these two will be comes under the like fractions. And next 3 by 7 and 13 by 11 by 15, 7 by 1 by 15. So here also two like fractions are there. So apart from these like fractions, remaining all will be comes as a unlike fractions. And unlike fractions means the denominators which will be not have same. Okay, so today's homework, complete textbook page number 67, Roman number 1, 2, 3 section neatly, and as it is that answers you have to write in the textbook also. Okay, in the next class we will continue the fractions only.